Delhi polls have laid bare cracks within India bloc, with key allies like TMC, Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray and Samajwadi Party backing up, leaving Congress isolated. Ajay Maken's remark on AAP deepened this rift, but Congress subsequently softened its stand. But the damage has been done. Lack of calibration has led to regional voices in India bloc speaking against the Congress party. Arvind Kejriwal labelled Congress a BJP pawn. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav downplayed the alliance unity, stating it was formed solely for the Lok Sabha elections, while J&K CM Omar Abdullah suggested disbanding the bloc if its purpose was limited to national polls. Let's take a look at the big reaction, which is Kejriwal, Mr. Abdullah, Alka Lamba, and then we'll talk about this moot point. Has Delhi poll impacted the opposition unity?
दिल्ली का चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी और बीजेपी के बीच में है। ये इंडिया गठबंधन का चुनाव नहीं है। दिल्ली का चुनाव आम आदमी पार्टी और बीजेपी के बीच में है। ये इंडिया गठबंधन का चुनाव नहीं है।
बदकिस्मती की बात यह है कि क्योंकि इंडिया ब्लॉक की कोई मीटिंग बुलाई नहीं जा रही है, तो इसमें कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है, ना लीडरशिप को लेके, ना एजेंडा को लेके, ना आगे क्या हम रहेंगे या नहीं रहेंगे इसको लेके। शायद दिल्ली के इंतखाबात हो जाएं, उसके बाद अच्छा ये होगा कि इंडिया ब्लॉक के तमाम जो हिस्सेदार हैं उनको बुलाया जाए और इस पर क्लैरिटी हो। अगर ये सिर्फ पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शंस के लिए था, इसको वाइंड अप करिए।
केजरीवाल जी को आज जरूरत क्यों पड़ गई अलग अलग राज्यों के नेताओं को बुलाकर समर्थन लेने की? काम किया ना 10 साल। हाँ, काम पर वोट मांगते। पूरी दिल्ली तो केजरीवाल के नाम पर वोट मांग रही है। ये जो अपने आम आदमी पार्टी के इवन अतिशी मुख्यमंत्री हैं, केजरीवाल जी के नाम पर वोट मांग रही है, और केजरीवाल जी दूसरे राज्यों के नेताओं को बुलाकर अपनी डूबती नैया पार लगाना चाह रहे हैं। मदद नहीं कर पाएंगे। जो भी नेता आएंगे बिल्कुल वो आएंगे दिल्ली में, उनका स्वागत करूंगी। आम आदमी पार्टी से पूछेगा हवाएं जहरीली क्यों हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी केजरीवाल से पूछेगा यमुना माँ का पानी आज भी इतना दूषित जहरीला क्यों है। शराब नीति में पूछना चाहिए उन नेताओं को जो अरविंद केजरीवाल के लिए आएंगे कि दिल्ली को शराब के नशे में क्यों धकेला गया। एक के साथ एक शराब की बोतल फ्री, पीने की उम्र शराब पीने की कम करके ग्राहक दे रहे थे युवाओं को शराब में। ये सब सवाल उम्मीद है वो भी पूछेंगे, क्योंकि दिल्ली पूछ रही है।
Now, the point to be noted is that the AAP has demolished Congress in Punjab and Delhi. That's the truth. Congress is aligned with left, not TMC in West Bengal. India bloc looks like a stopgap arrangement to counter BJP in Lok Sabha polls. Unlike the UPA, India bloc has no common minimum program. India bloc lacks ideological cohesion, united only by the glue of anti-Modism. Now, the question is, has the India bloc crumbled over Delhi polls? Let me go across to my guests. Shivam Bhagat continues to be with me. Anjali Rai continues to be with me. Dr. Avra Sen, spokesperson Bharatiya Janata Party, and KV Prasad, senior journalist, join me. Mr. Prasad, to you first. Has the poll in Delhi dented the India bloc unity?
Well, Kartikeya, if you just jog a memory back, few months ago in Haryana, we had a similar issue. The Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress were trying for some seat arrangement. We don't know what happened, whether AAP, punched.
It was like a marriage. It was like a marriage quarrel, but this is like out in the open.
Yeah, but this was bound to happen. You had, I think, one of your says it very clearly. There is no ideological cohesion. It was very clear that it was a alliance which came to take on the BJP in the national elections period. Congress and Aam Aadmi Party could not get along together even in Punjab in the Lok Sabha elections because of steep differences. While in Delhi they were contesting together, the irony was in Chandigarh, Aam Aadmi Party was supporting Congress candidate. Just 10 kilometers away, they were at each other's throat. Yes, Delhi has actually kind of brought these fissures out in the open. More so because the BJP also is playing up the game. They are saying, look, what happened to AAP alliance? What happened to the whole? But I think it's a fact that today, yes, the perception is very clear that this alliance which came at the time of Lok Sabha is probably disintegrating.
Disintegrating. Mr. Bhagat, has Delhi election exposed the intrinsic problems of the India alliance?
Kartikeya ji, India alliance was an umbrella of parties coming together in a central election to save the constitution. It was never pre-decided or pre-agreed upon that we will also contest together in every state. right? We have had a government here for 3 terms in Delhi for 15 years. And the work done in Delhi has not only been done in the 15 years, but it's been done since the 70s, 80s. In fact, since independence, Congress is the only one who's been doing work in Delhi. Now, I don't understand how Mr. Kejriwal has the guts to tell us to not contest an election in Delhi, where everything in Delhi has been done by us, has been done by the Congress party. And if he was so interested and if he was so concerned about the India alliance, why did he contest in Haryana? Why did he contest in Gujarat? Why did he contest in Himachal? Why was he cutting votes of the Congress there? Did we say don't contest? We did not say. It's everyone's democratic right. Now, if our party has not done well in the last 10 years, and now we are seeing that, we have a chance of getting our vote share back, people are looking towards the Congress and its achievements. Why should we not contest the election? And as for the India parties, I also do sincerely and humbly hope that the other India parties will ask questions of the Aam Aadmi Party as to why people of Delhi don't have the constitutional right to clean air. It's in the Constitution, Article 21, that we have the right to clean air. We don't have the right to clean air. And as to many other issues of water and education and roads and the horrible condition of the roads. So I'm hoping that the other parties will also ask questions of Aam Aadmi Party.
Okay, now let me play out 2 bites. A bite of your former partner KC Tyagi JDU and Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, your political opponent from BJP, on what is happening in Delhi in context of India alliance.
नीतीश कुमार जी के इंडिया गठबंधन से बाहर आने के बाद ये मृतप्राय था और अब इसका अंतिम संस्कार हो चुका है। जितने भी क्षेत्रीय दल हैं वो अपने अस्तित्व को बचाने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी के सामने खड़े हो गए हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी क्षेत्रीय दलों का अस्तित्व समाप्त करना चाहती है।
देखिए, कांग्रेस की प्रासंगिक कांग्रेस जो है वो हमेशा जो है वो जो इनका ब्लॉक था जिसे गठबंधन कहते थे, वो कांग्रेस और कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप जो है वो गठबंधन के लिए हमेशा बोझ रही है। और मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ बोझ रही है कि एक लाइबिलिटी रही है, उनकी लीडरशिप लाइबिलिटी रही है। तो इसलिए मजबूरी में जो है वो आवाज़ दो हम एक कहते रहे, लेकिन पीछे से एक दूसरे की जो है वो टांग खिंचाई करते रहे। ऐसा होता है क्या कि दिल्ली में दोस्ती और बिहार में कुश्ती, फिर दिल्ली में दोस्ती और महाराष्ट्र में कुश्ती, यूपी में कुश्ती, ऐसा होता नहीं है। यानी कि शुरू से ही इनका जो गठबंधन है, गठबंधन के गठरी में इतने छेद थे क्योंकि उनके महत्वाकांक्षी मतभेद थे।
So, Anjali, we can say for sure that there is no India alliance, and as Mr. Shivam Bhagat was saying, that there is a possibility of Congress doing well and get back the vote which you stole, quote unquote, in 2013 from the Congress party.
See, we didn't steal anybody's votes.
I said quote unquote. That's the allegation.
Yeah. Yes. Public wanted us to rule, and we came into the power. And I really wish them well, but last time they got only 4% votes, and we got 54% votes. So I think they are quite ambitious. But actually, the problem is this, that we don't mind. They are also in the fray, and they should fight elections. Why not? They are a political party, and every political party has a right to fight elections. And every political party is ambitious. But the way they are behaving, they are only criticizing Aam Aadmi Party. They are just ignoring the wrongdoings of BJP. This is the question. For example, Sandeep Dixit ji, he didn't utter a word against Parvez Verma when he was distributing money openly and for the sake of getting votes, and was openly saying that vote for BJP and we'll give you more money, every month we'll give you 1,100. He didn't register any FIR or made a complaint anywhere. But unnecessarily, he is always abusing and talking against only Kejriwal ji. You are it is a triangle. If you say that it is a triangular fight, which we don't think it is, if you say that it's a triangular fight, then you should talk against
Anjali,
BJP
do you think the
also.
Congress has become less accommodative of smaller regional parties? Is it correct?
Sorry?
Is Congress less accommodative of smaller parties like Aam Aadmi Party?
They are less accommodative, yes. Because in Haryana elections also, we wanted to fight with them, but they didn't accommodate us. They offered those seats which were totally stronghold of BJP, and there was not even a
Okay.
1% chance to
Okay.
Can I
win
come?
that seat.
Can I
Yes,
come?
yes, Shivam, I'll allow you, but let me go across to Dr. Sen. Dr. Sen, you know, your party must be pretty happy that, you know, India Bloc, which emerged as a huge umbrella, today election in a very small state has shattered the unity.
See, the India bloc was never there in reality. Just take, for example, what they came up with before the Lok Sabha elections. There wasn't even a proper manifesto of the India bloc. There was just one Samuhik Sankalp that was published by the India bloc in its initial stages, and they had just said that they are not happy with the functions of ED and CBI, and there should be no kind of action against corruption, and all those things. Those things were there in the Samuhik Sankalp. So their sankalp was to come together with their vested interests and cry against BJP. The only common minimum program that the Indie bloc parties had was their opposition to BJP. There was nothing else. Now take, for example, what has happened in West Bengal. There are the left parties, there is Congress, there is Trinamool Congress. There is no alliance here. Everybody fights the election on their own. So whatever the situation is there in Delhi today is not new. This is the situation of Indie bloc right from the beginning, right from the inception. So people should not be astonished. But one thing I can say is that BJP would sweep the Delhi elections. There is no doubt about it. And also there should be no iota of doubt about the fact that parties who are members of this
But
Indie
Dr.
bloc
Sen, how
are
can you be
unfit-
so sure that you're going
are
to sweep the
unfit.
election? I mean to
Just-
say,
just
how
let
can
me
you be
finish.
so
Just let me
sure?
finish. Just let me finish. Just let me finish. You have seen our performance in the past elections in Delhi. Okay, no need to show a placard or a printout. Arvind Kejriwal might go back to jail also. He might get convicted. So let's not get into that. That is a sub judice matter. But what I'm saying is that the support of AAP has dwindled, and Congress in various places has lost its ground. Even in the recent various elections in states. What I want to say is that parties with no common minimum program had come together just to oppose the Bharatiya Janata Party. And this cannot be the way forward for constructive politics, for societal development, for any kind of change in a positive sense in the society. So they have to introspect, and the people would give a mandate that would teach a firm lesson to these parties, that this is not the way. You
This is not
can't
the
go
way.
about putting around the bush just to oppose BJP. You can't make a fool out of people.
Okay. Shivam, a quick response from you, then there is a third part of the debate.
I just wanted to remind Madam that Sandeep ji had gone to the LG and had mentioned this 1100 rupee, 1100 rupees that he was disputing, and I had come on your show only. I remember I was on your show and I had said that, you know, it would be foolhardy to believe that Pravesh Verma was spending money out of his own pocket and stuff like that. Therefore, the Congress has raised these issues, and also ma'am has no response on why they contested Haryana despite the alliance not going through. And we saw the result that happened later. They got 4,000 votes, and that helped the BJP. Why did they go ahead in Haryana? Did we also, by the way, did we ask them to not go ahead? We didn't. But why did they go ahead if they were so concerned about the India alliance? Where they had no,
We are also a
absolutely
political
zero.
party. If you are not making alliance with us, ours is a political party. We have to fight.
And what is ours?
We didn't
Ours
have-
is the oldest political party, madam. And
Then
if
what-
Kejriwal
why-
ji is going
Now
around
tell me,
town,
just,
he's singing
Shivam,
around
just-
town, why is the
okay,
Congress
okay,
contesting the
okay,
election?
Just tell me, why are you fighting in Delhi? You got only 4% votes.
Exactly,
You got 0
exactly.
seats. Why are you fighting in Delhi? You shouldn't
Exactly.
have fought in
I'll
Delhi.
respond.
Why?
Because,
why are you fighting?
Ma'am, I'll tell you, can I respond? We are fighting, that's exactly my point. You have been saying for the last 2 weeks, Kejriwal ji and Atishi ji have been coming out on press conferences saying, why is the Congress contesting? They are helping BJP. We have a proven track record of
We never
development.
said,
Delhi.
why are you contesting? We never
Arey,
said,
bhai,
why are you
he
contesting?
means to say
हमने
that he
कभी
says the
नहीं कहा.
Congress
No,
is
no,
helping
means. What do
BJP.
you mean by means?
He
What do
says
you,
Congress is helping
no.
BJP.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
The way
So we are
statements which your
contesting because
leaders
we have
are-
a proven,
the
we have a proven
statements
track
which your
record of
leaders are
development.
I think every political party has the right to contest election, but there's a third part of this debate. There's a third part of this debate, and I think that's the heart of my debate. That's where I conclude, because this election is a matter of survival and relevance for the Congress party. Congress party has not been able to open its account. BJP had 3 in the 2015 and then it increased its number, but even then BJP's numbers are not substantial because the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha results are in reverse order. The Lok Sabha goes to Modi and the Vidhan Sabha goes to Kejriwal.